Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Windows version, GPU driver state, and available disk space. Do this now. Open Settings and check Windows Update. Install critical and optional updates that support DirectX components. Next, update your graphics driver from Device Manager or the vendor app and reboot. This prevents conflicts. Once done, make sure Windows has a restore point enabled, because installing runtimes can change system files. Now you're ready to obtain the correct DirectX redistributable package for your system. You'll download the DirectX Runtime installer next. Pick the end-user runtime or the web installer depending on offline needs. Run the installer as administrator, accept the license, choose an extraction folder, and let it unpack files. Then launch setup from the extracted folder, because some games require local components installed this way. During install, pay attention to optional bundles. Deselect toolbars. Once the installer completes, reboot so system files register. This ensures DirectX DLLs and redistributables are properly placed and available to applications. You finish by validating the runtime. Press Windows +R, run dxdiag, and confirm the DirectX version and driver status. If an app still fails, re-register misplaced DLLs with regsver32 or reinstall Visual C++ redistributables, because many games depend on both. Make sure permissions allow the game to access system DLLs. As a troubleshooting tip, run System File Checker, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.